To activate your RBC credit card using the mobile app, start by ensuring you have the RBC mobile app downloaded and installed on your device. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Once you have the app, open it and sign in to your RBC online banking account using your client card or username and password. If you are not yet registered for online banking, you can register through the app by following the prompts. After signing in, navigate to the account summary page, where you will see a list of your RBC accounts, including your credit card. Locate your new credit card and select the Activate Now option. You will be prompted to review and agree to the terms and conditions of your credit card agreement. Next, you will be asked to provide the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. This information can be found on the back of your credit card or on the sticker provided with your card. Enter the details carefully to avoid any errors. After entering the card details, you will be asked to create a PIN for your credit card. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. You will need to enter the PIN twice to confirm it. Once you have completed the activation process, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your credit card has been activated. You can now start using your credit card for purchases. And you can also set up additional features such as mobile payments and transaction alerts through the RBC mobile app. It is essential to note that you can also activate your RBC credit card by calling the RBC customer service number or by visiting an RBC branch. However, using the mobile app is a convenient and quick way to activate your credit card from anywhere. As a best practice, make sure to keep your credit card and PIN secure to avoid any unauthorized transactions. You should also regularly review your credit card statements and report any suspicious transactions to RBC customer service immediately. By following these steps, you can easily activate your RBC credit card using the mobile app and start enjoying the benefits and features of your new credit card.